Hey, what's up? It's J. Lucky Henry, and today we're going to talk about price per square foot. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real, R-E-A-L, real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're talking about price per square foot. So this is literally how much you're paying per square foot of living area in the property, right? So if the house sells for $500,000 and it's 1,000 square foot single family home, that means you're paying $500 per square foot of living space. So this is a good indicator for determining, all right, is my house priced higher than everything else per square foot or lower, right? This can help you determine the list price that you're gonna put the property on the market for. You can go ahead and look through the entire neighborhood or get your realtor or broker to go on MLS, go through the recently solds and figure out what was the average price per square foot and how does your home compare, right? If the average price per square foot is $500 and you have a 2,000 square foot home, should you be pricing it $1 million? Now, it's only if it was that simple. It is sometimes, but a lot of times it doesn't work like that if you're in suburban areas or areas where every single home isn't similar to each other. In cities and places where a lot of it's condominiums and very town block and very similar, price per square foot is a huge driving factor on price because everything is so comparable. Everything is so similar. They're townhomes, they're apartments, they're condos, and they're pretty much within the same area and they're about the same size and structure, just different living areas per each. But in a suburb or in a place with a lot of like a Salem, Massachusetts, with a lot of different structures, price per square foot doesn't really tell the whole story and isn't really a driving factor. Now, of course, if you're priced 10 times higher per square foot than everything else, that might be a red flag to some buyers. Basically, price per square foot is a great tool to help you price a property you're considering buying or a property you're considering putting on the market. However, like all tools, it has its limits. It's very difficult to justify price per square foot if the house you're comparing has a garage and the house you're comparing it to doesn't, or if the house you're comparing it to is single level living and the other house isn't. So price per square foot is useful in certain areas, just like any tool, but it has its limitations. And if you're in an area where it varies between pool, no pool, single level, double level, triple level, multifamily, condo, then price per square foot is not going to be the most useful tool for you, and there'll be other tools you can use. So this concludes a series of different MLS and online verbiages and acronyms and short abbreviations explaining different ways to understand values and prices of property. Next, we got a new series coming up. We're going to talk about something different, so make sure you tune in tomorrow to check that series out. Again, my name is J. Lucky Henry. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.